In this video, I'll show you how to create a ManyChat account. Alright, so first and foremost, we want to go to manychat.com. As you can see, I've highlighted it on the top here. And we need to click on Get Started on either the left or top right. Now we only have two options, either continue with Google or with Facebook. Choose whichever one you want. And once you're done signing up, it will bring you to the screen and you can choose which one you want to connect. Now, depending on what you choose, you will have this option that says connect via Meta, and you'll be prompted to log in with whatever you are trying to connect. So for me, it'll be Instagram, and I'll just be prompted to put in my Instagram details and hit log in. And once you log in to your Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever it may be, you will be brought to this screen here and they'll ask you who this is for. So I'll just say for myself. Then they'll ask you, how do you typically make money from this account? I'm going to choose I don't monetize my account. If you use any of these tools, you can click on them here. I'll just hit next. And now you can choose to go on their 14-day free trial, or you can stick with the free plan. And now, if you want to, you can begin setting up, like sending a link from all the comments or send a custom welcome message. That is fully up to you. I'm just going to click on the top right here where it says look around first. And that's it. Our account is officially made. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.